tag video. I'm actually here in Jamaica right now with my family. We just went to the beach. We're at the Winifred Beach and we're having a good time. The first question that I need to answer was, when was the last time you were in Jamaica? The last time I was in Jamaica, apart from now, was 4 years ago. And the other question was, what is your favorite Jamaican food? And it's hard to pick a favorite food, but me personally, I like anything with flour in it. So fried dumpling, frittata, I love my flour. The other question was, what's one item in your house that reminds you of your Jamaican culture? And for me, it would have to be my oven.